Hello students, this is Anjana. Welcomes you all in the Ved Model family. Today I am going to tell you about your grammar topic, that is phrasal verbs. Now let's come to know what is the difference between prepositional verb and phrasal verb. A prepositional verb is a combination of a verb and a preposition. For example, laugh at, look at, listen to, knock at, agree to. Here laugh is a verb, at is a preposition. Look is a verb, at is a preposition. Listen is a verb, to is a preposition. Knock is a verb, at is a preposition. Same as agree to and agree with. And a phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and a preposition or an adverb or both. For example, bring up, give up, pass away. Away here is also an adverb. Look after, look down up, looking forward to. Now, a phrasal verb has a meaning that is different from the meaning of its original verb. In this way, you can recognize in a sentence that the verb is a phrasal verb or a prepositional verb. In the first sentence, as you can see that his parents passed away in the plane crash. Here, passed away. The meaning is not same as the passed away. The meaning is to die. He was brought up by his aunt. Here, brought up. Bring up, the meaning is to raise a child. He is trying to give up smoking. Give up here, to quit, to leave. She turned down his proposal. Turn down, to reject. Means when a verb, phrasal verb has a meaning that is different from the meaning of its original verb. On the other hand, a prepositional verb has a meaning which is similar to the meaning of its original verb. They are laughing at the joker. The meaning of laughing is the same as hasna. She is listening to music. They are looking at the stranger. Meaning is the same here. All the prepositional verbs require an object in the sentence. Without an object, the sentence having a prepositional phrase cannot express complete meaning. Means a prepositional verb always require an object. The object comes right after the preposition of prepositional phrase in sentence. The place of object cannot be changed in sentence. They are laughing at joker. Here, without joker, the meaning of the sentence is not clear. She is listening to music. The object is required here. Someone is knocking at the door. The dog is barking at a stranger. In this way, also you can recognize a prepositional verb in a sentence. Now look some another examples. I looked into the matter. He is looking for a job. The matter, a job. In this way, you can change even the voice of these sentences. I came across him in the fair. Our parents care for us. If the voice has been changed, it means these are prepositional verbs. And on the other hand, some of the phrasal verbs do not require an object, and some of them require an object to express complete meaning. The patient passed away. Passed away means die. When do you get up? Here is not any requirement of any object. The thief ran away. Ran away, again there is not requirement of any object. Now see another example also. We will find out the truth. Even in phrasal verbs, you can change the place of the adverb or a preposition there, but in prepositional verb we can't change the place there. I will find the truth out, it is also right. I will find it out, I will find out it. It is not right, because you have to also keep this thing. If our object is noun, then we can change the place, but if our object is pronoun, then we can't change the place. Even you can understand this by another example. We should give up bad habits. Yes, students, now watch this video carefully for making your concept clear. Still any doubt has remained, then we will discuss in your discussion period. Thank you and have a nice day.